I don't give a fuck about what you say, no. Cause I ain't much for talking, I'm just saying, no. I'd rather grip the hip and get the spring off. PJ Troy, yeah, Infinity. I don't give a fuck about, let me think about it. I don't give a fuck about shit. I sell coke, I'm in the dope. Game Boy, Tetris bricks. It's my block, that's my block. Hustle on those, you will be shot by my homeboy named Block. Hand on the bike, strike me if not. I ain't a thug nigga, I'm a gangster and a drug dealer in a Wrangler with the top off and the fur on and my cotton off with your girl on. A trip down to my zip. She don't talk back but give lit. Tongue, no teeth, but I don't give a fuck about your bitch. I ran through more hoes and Bo Jackson. I don't do vocals besides rapping. I do actions, transactions. I do cut, press, and rapping. I don't want old shit, I go cashing. I don't throw shit, I'm no javelin. Get the point, nigga, every point bigger. You gon' pay for that, no haggling. Final sale on Nightingales. Birds, nigga, word, nigga. Born brand new baby girl. I serve sisters, get the record lifter. Will games be available, would be serene. Smokers go from Earth to Venus and stop everywhere between.
I said, oh Lord, better hold me down. Riding dirty through someone's town. One Guzman when I pitch that work. Young boy, I run that mouth. I got the juice like I'm cute. Freshman class, I'm that new. I'm everything that you talk about. You front it on, I really do. I don't give a fuck about how you're talking. Keep moving slick, get you that coffin. Everybody claim that they eatin', but they dress like they starving. Know you bad now that you believe the boy to get gone. It's get money or get lost. I don't give a fuck if I'm wrong. I got 3 girls like I'm Tiger. One look like Mariah. Second one, she a redhead and her head game is on fire. I got 2 cars and no dare. One lease but it's sale. 100 youngins with a point to prove. I tell all my puppy dog chill. It's good comp, no weirdos. Honda Civics to Gelato. 2 doors and 4 doors with 500 horses. Panamera my Porsches. See my wife and she gorgeous. Big biz in my bloodline and my buzz now is enormous. I don't give a fuck about what you drink. I don't give a fuck about what you smoke. I don't give a fuck about what you do. I don't give a fuck about where you go. I don't give a fuck about your crib. I don't give a fuck about your hoe. I don't give a fuck about what you drive. I don't give a fuck about your dough.
Real niggas say church, just the Holy Spirit. You can hear him testify. There be no with the curse. This ain't baseball, we don't never let it slide. Run through it like first. The tech will spray and the pepper spray like pesticide and the crowd disperse. Somebody on the floor is left to die, that's how it go. What you expect, there's metal detectors at the door. That's how you know that we in a prison, whether it's the club or the school, hospital or the fucking airport. Take a trip when I'm on one, gone in the head to the song, done shit. You ain't nothing but a blip on the screen. I remain in the game for the long run, staying in the forefront. No blunts, we getting sky high. We changing time zones, the hours fly by. The Europeans mixing weed with the tobacco for 'em. I got it locked like the Scots with the shackles on them. Yeah, slave psychology, trade property for an apology. Not my kin, not of my genealogy. Origin of the word etymology. I of the pyramid like a Ponzi scheme. With my collar up cooler than Fonzie B. And a rock nigga call me geology. I'm a top nigga, check my discography.
In a black fitted with a blue brim and an orange logo. Who him? If you know 4 with a nose 4, add 1 more that you knew him. Said I'm top 5 before I said it myself. Therefore I don't hear anybody else. Bottom on the line, got them all the time. So how the fuck am I getting ahead of myself? Fit clean, brim low, old hundreds, sip slow. Know I'm coming with my zip code, and if cameras on and they get low, heartbreaker, God help me, but she still down. She tells me if she run long, when she come home and y'all cuddle up and you'll smell Creed. I mean, I'm the face of what the K is and what the K was. I mesh those and my rep grows and my dress clothes. No change up and my teammates about mixture. Gold bottles, my liquor. On my 9-5, Chris Tucker vibe. Tell you write it down, take a picture.
I don't give a fuck about what you drink. I don't give a fuck about what you smoke. I don't give a fuck about what you do. I don't give a fuck about where you go. I don't give a fuck about your crib. I don't give a fuck about your hoe. I don't give a fuck about what you drive. I don't give a fuck about your dough.
G's up, hoes down, I'm hood, nigga. Freeze up and get hoes down. Dog, ease up or get slowed down. Dance, banging it out the sunroof when it goes down. Like, bet they know now. I produce slow jams for you niggas and this ain't Motown. Get the pastor working, keep the organs going. Overtime for the morgue man. Fresh batch of the organ donors. I represent block work. Chase Henny with Corona. good green with crystals in it. Imported from California. You niggas misrepresented. You should make yourself a goner. Boom! Headshot. It's your final warning.
Little nigga, big bullets make your ass go timber. Then my Timberlands hit that gas and we celebrate a job well done sipping liquor. Rolling up Swisher, smelling like paint when I twist up. Brand new paint on my jigsaw. Brand new broad in them painted jeans. Yeah, baby, I'm painting that picture. Funny thing, I lives in that painting. Use that brush for my shoulders. Brand new canvas underneath my pants. And of course, I easel on over. Two-step light in my new left right. Looking for my new ex-wife. Just for tonight, mommy, we can play house. But then I'm leaving out in the morning. I'm gone and I'm never coming back. My mind's gone and it's never coming back. What I'm on, man, I'm never telling that. Cause I don't know what the fuck it is. I just know I get fucking biz every time I gotta rap. And it won't go away. That's okay, cause I love that they hate that it stays. They said I ain't that ill and I ain't that real. Y'all just make sure y'all ain't in the way. Cause homie, it ain't gon' be pretty. Nigga, you know the name of my city. And the neighborhood I claim, it's so gritty. Same place as Jay-Z and Biggie. Same place as Fame and the boy Billy. My niggas from the hilly up in Brownsville with a round spilly of blood. Don't fuck around, silly. I got the iron on the tuck and I don't give a flying fuck
about what you drink, I don't give a fuck about what you smoke. I don't give a fuck about what you do, I don't give a fuck about where you go. I don't give a fuck about your crib, I